Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Experience the Maths, and in this video we are solving 9th 10th class chapter 9 exercise 9.1 question number 11. So according to the question number 11, a TV tower stand vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So in this question, diagram is given to us. I will explain the diagram to you and then we will solve this question. So बच्चे, according to the question, we have a TV transmission tower, a canal and two banks. At the one bank, the TV tower is located, and just opposite of this TV tower, the second bank, another bank, and at the other bank there is a point D from which the angle of elevation of the top of the transmission tower is 30 degree. Okay, and from this point D, a straight path is going to the foot of this transmission tower, and on this way means, see, this is a canal. Okay, so at the what end TV tower is located, and the other bank a point D is located. So when we will move 20 meter away from this D point and reach over the point C, then the angle of elevation, the same point top of the tower, is 60 degree. We have to find out the width of the canal and height of this transmission tower. So two banks of the canal, one bank is point B and one bank we are considering as point D. Height of the tower we are taking as H, and the distance between the second point and the foot of the tower is X meter. So now first we will take in the right angle triangle ABC. So base X and height we have to calculate, so we will take the tan theta ratio. So tan theta here, it is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is H, base is X. Root 3 is equal to H upon X. Value of tan 60, root 3. After cross multiplication, we are getting a relation between height and the distance between BC, that is X. So H is equal to X root 3. Now we'll take another triangle, that is ABD. The first point from where the angle of elevation of the top of the tower was 30 degree. Okay, so now this time height and the complete base we have DB. So now tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is the same, height of the transmission tower H, and base is DC plus CB, means 20 meter plus X meter. So after cross multiplication we are getting and putting the value of tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3. 20 plus X is equal to H root 3. And from the first triangle we got the relation H equal to X root 3. So now we are putting the value H is equal to X root 3 in this. So X root 3 into root 3. Root 3 will be 3, and this X will goes to right hand side. So 3x minus X will be 2x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 10 meter after dividing by 2. That means the distance of the second point from the foot of the transmission tower, that is equal to, now we have 10 meter. Okay. So now we can find out the width of the canal. 20 meter plus 10 meter. It means it will be 30 meter. So the width of the canal is equal to 20 plus 10 equal to 30 meter. Height of the tower, h equal to x root 3. So x equal to 10. H equal to 10 root 3 meter. So the height of the tower will be this. So in this way we will solve this question.